In a world that moves in real time, trust has to move with it. Every service, transaction, and decision depends on proof. Not just identity, but validity, authority, status, and trust. But too often, trust is rebuilt from scratch again and again, resulting in more forms, more uploads, more manual checks, more room for errors, leading to increased drop-offs and fewer customers. What's missing is infrastructure, the trust rails, a way to turn information into trusted, reusable proof, a digital credential. Any organization that already holds authoritative data can turn that truth into a reusable digital credential. Governments, banks, telcos, airlines and travel, insurers, health sector, and more. With digital credential infrastructure, organizations can accept the trusted credentials instead of re-verifying from scratch. For individuals, this means less friction and more privacy. For relying parties, confidence in the proof without unnecessarily storing customer information. And for issuers, new revenue opportunities and stronger position as a trusted brand. Together, enabling new services across the ecosystem. As more organizations adopt digital trust infrastructure across sectors, across workflows, and across the digital economy, utility grows, adoption grows, confidence grows, and value grows for all. As digital interactions move across more channels and contexts, trust needs to move with them. The same rails that improve trust today will power the next generation of digital interactions tomorrow.